Okay, here we are at my 2015 Silverado 2500 heavy duty 6-liter. This is the K&N filter kit. Sorry, sun's a bit harsh right now. If you're looking at one of these kits, I can certainly tell you a couple things. They certainly are not worth your time or your money. You can see right here, I'm going to be installing the factory kit back into position, along with a standard K&N air filter. The issue with this kit in general is that it sucks up a lot of hot air from within the engine compartment. And the seal here, focus, the seal actually doesn't really press up against the hood, which would be this liner. And then you have a situation where this filter is just sucking up all the air inside the engine. Whereas the factory one, it's hard to see, but there's a hole there in the fender. Can't really see it. But with the hole in the fender, you get a much cleaner source of air, which is this right here. If you can see, air is coming in from the fender. Cool air, not hot air. So if you're looking at one of these kits and you own a Chevrolet Silverado 2500 heavy duty with the 6-liter gas motor, do yourself a favor, do not bother with this. You'll be wasting your money. Also, if you tow like I do with a fifth wheel RV, this kit in general creates a droning inside the cab. So a recommendation from someone who's used this for 6 months and actually used their own money: do not bother. There's no increase in MPGs, there's no increase in performance, and what you will get is an increase in a droning noise because of where your RPMs are on these gas motors, and you're just wasting your time. There you go, folks. Hope someone saves money.